Ever found yourself staring at your bank account, wondering where all your money went? You're not alone. The feeling of financial ambiguity, the constant guessing game of do I have enough, it's a common struggle in our fast-paced world. We work hard, we earn, and then, poof, it seems to vanish. Bills pile up, unexpected expenses crop up, and suddenly, that dream vacation or even just a comfortable retirement feels further and further away. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep, and more importantly, how you manage what you keep. The concept of budgeting, for many, conjures images of restrictive spreadsheets, complicated calculations, and the feeling of deprivation. It's often seen as a chore, a necessary evil, rather than a powerful tool for financial freedom. We resist it because it feels limiting, like putting a straitjacket on our spending habits. But what if budgeting could be different? What if it could be intuitive, almost effortless, and even empowering? What if there was a way to take control of your finances without feeling like you're sacrificing every pleasure? That's where Acorns Spend comes in. You might be familiar with Acorns for its micro-investing capabilities, rounding up your spare change and investing it for your future. But Acorns has evolved, and Acorns Spend is a significant leap forward in making everyday money management not just easier, but smarter. It's not just a debit card, it's a comprehensive financial tool designed to integrate seamlessly into your life, helping you understand, track, and ultimately master your spending habits without the traditional headaches of budgeting. Think of it this way, traditional budgeting often feels like a constant battle against yourself. You set limits, you try to stick to them, and then life happens. An impromptu dinner with friends, a sudden car repair, or even just a great sale on something you've been eyeing. Before you know it, you've busted your budget and the cycle of guilt and frustration begins anew. Acorns Spend approaches budgeting from a different angle. Instead of just tracking your spending after it happens, it helps you manage your money proactively, providing insights and tools that guide your financial decisions in real time. Let's dive into the core features of Acorns Spend and how they revolutionize the way we approach budgeting. Firstly, the most immediate benefit of Acorns Spend is its integration with your Acorns Invest account. Every time you use your Acorns Spend debit card, the roundups feature is still active. This means that while you're spending, you're also passively investing. For instance, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest that 50 cents difference into your diversified portfolio. This might seem like a small amount, but these tiny contributions accumulate over time, building your investment portfolio without you even noticing. It's set it and forget it investing, directly linked to your everyday spending. This subtle yet powerful mechanism fosters a savings habit without requiring conscious effort to transfer funds or make separate investment decisions. It turns your spending into an automatic savings and investment engine, which is a fundamental shift in how we typically think about budgeting. Instead of seeing spending and saving as separate, often conflicting, activities, Acorns Spend merges them, making saving an intrinsic part of your daily financial flow. Beyond roundups, Acorns Spend offers a real-time spending tracker that is intuitive and easy to understand. Traditional banking apps often present a confusing jumble of transactions, making it hard to discern where your money is actually going. Acorns Spend categorizes your spending automatically, providing a clear visual breakdown of your expenditures. Imagine opening your app and instantly seeing exactly how much you've spent on groceries, dining out, transportation, or entertainment this month. This level of clarity is crucial for effective budgeting. When you can vividly see where your money is flowing, it becomes much easier to identify areas where you might be overspending and adjust your habits accordingly. This isn't just about looking at past spending, it's about gaining insights that empower you to make informed decisions moving forward. You're not just getting data, you're getting actionable intelligence. One of the often overlooked benefits of Acorns Spend is its found money feature. This is where partnering brands offer you bonus investments into your Acorns account when you shop with them using your Acorns Spend card. For example, if you buy groceries from a participating supermarket, a percentage of your purchase might be invested directly into your Acorns portfolio. This is essentially free money being added to your investments simply for buying things you would already purchase. It's like getting a cashback reward, but instead of cash, it's an investment actively working for your financial future. This incentivizes mindful spending, encouraging you to choose retailers that offer these investment bonuses, effectively turning your everyday shopping into a source of passive income for your investment goals. It's a clever way to align consumer spending with long-term financial growth. Another significant advantage of Acorns Spend for budgeting is its ability to help you visualize and plan for your financial goals. While not a full-fledged budgeting app in the traditional sense, the clarity it provides on your spending, combined with the automatic investing, naturally leads to better financial planning. When you see your investment portfolio growing, even through small roundups and found money, it creates a positive feedback loop. This encourages you to be more intentional with your spending, knowing that every dollar saved or invested through Acorns Spend contributes directly to your long-term objectives, whether that's a down payment on a house, a comfortable retirement, or simply building a robust emergency fund. The psychological impact of seeing your wealth grow, even incrementally, is a powerful motivator for sticking to a budget and making smarter financial choices. For many people, the biggest hurdle to budgeting is the sheer effort involved. Manually tracking every expense, categorizing it, and then reconciling it with your income can be incredibly time-consuming and tedious. This is where Acorns Spend truly shines. It automates much of this process. The automatic categorization of spending, the passive roundup investments, and the found money contributions significantly reduce the manual effort required. This automation frees up your time and mental energy, allowing you to focus on your financial goals rather than getting bogged down in the minutiae of tracking. It turns budgeting from a burdensome chore into an almost effortless background process. This set-it-and-forget-it approach to financial management is precisely what many people need to overcome their budgeting inertia. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.